Let's learn with Jellybeans Kids Classroom.
Hello children, today's story is on Neel's big day at the construction site. Let's build together. One bright morning, Neel puts on his tiny yellow helmet and walked into a buzzing construction site.
Wow, so many machines! So much noise! What's happening here?
Hi Neel, I am Danny the digger. I dig big holes in the ground so the builders can pour cement and make strong foundation.
Wow, Danny, you are super strong.
Hello Neel, I am Kathy the crane. I lift heavy things high up into the sky like steel beams and bricks.
Woohoo! You are like a giraffe, lifting buildings.
Spin, spin, mix, mix. Spin, spin, mix, mix. Hello, I am Max the mixer. I make weight cement to hold bricks together like peanut butter in a sandwich.
Yummy, oh, I mean sticky.
Hey, we are the Brick Brothers. We stack on top of each other to become strong walls. Rumble, rumble. I am Rolly the roller. I flatten the ground to make it smooth and strong.
Whoa! You are like an iron steamroller pancake.
Hello, I am Bella the bulldozer. I push away rocks and clear the way for building.
Oh, you are like a strong lion, cleaning parts.
Hi Neel, I scoop and load big piles of dirt into trucks.
You are like a scoop shovel on wheels.
Hey Neel, always wear a helmet, gloves and boots on a construction site because safety first.
Got it! Teamwork and safety are cool.
At the end of the day, Neel saw what they had built, a brand new colorful school.
Yay! I learned so much about machines, teamwork, and safety. I want to be a builder too.
Did you enjoy Neel's construction adventure? If so, then hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us what would you like to build. See you soon in a next video. Bye.